Hello, everyone. It feels really nice to be here today. You know, this time of year feels special. The lights, the music, the cold air. Everything feels different.
Hello, Mia. Yes, it really does. People look busy, but also a little happy.
Exactly. So today we are talking about something very real, something many people do this time of year. Christmas shopping.
Haha, yes. Christmas shopping is everywhere now.
Alex, let me ask you something. Do you enjoy Christmas shopping?
Yes and no. I enjoy it sometimes, but sometimes it feels confusing.
I understand that. Why does it feel confusing?
Well, there are many people, many shops, and many things to buy.
Yes, so many choices. It can feel a little stressful.
Exactly. But it can also feel fun.
I agree. Let us imagine a small story today.
Okay, I am listening.
You wake up in the morning. It is cold outside. You think, today I will go Christmas shopping.
That already feels real.
You put on your jacket, you take your bag, and you leave your house.
Yes, maybe you feel excited.
And maybe a little worried, too.
Haha, yes, because you want to buy the right gift.
Exactly. You go to a shopping street. There are lights everywhere.
And music, Christmas music.
Yes, soft music in the background. People are walking slowly. Some people are smiling.
Some people look tired.
Yes, that too.
So, what is the first shop you go to?
Maybe a gift shop.
That makes sense.
You walk into the shop. The shop is warm.
That feels nice after the cold.
Yes. You look around. You see many things.
Candles, cards, small gifts.
Exactly. You feel a little lost.
You do not know where to start.
So you take a deep breath and you look again.
Yes, slowly.
Now a shop assistant comes to you.
This moment is important.
Yes. The shop assistant smiles and says, "Hello."
And you say hello.
Simple. Very simple English.
Then the shop assistant asks, "Can I help you?"
That is a very common question.
Yes, people hear it often.
So, how do you answer?
You can say, "Yes, please."
Or you can say, "I'm just looking."
Both are good answers.
Listeners, remember this. You can say, "I'm just looking."
That means you do not need help now.
Exactly. So you look around the shop.
You pick up a small box.
You look at it. You think, is this a good gift?
You are not sure.
Then you think about the person, your friend, your family member.
Yes, what do they like?
You think, they like warm things.
Maybe a scarf.
Ooh, a scarf is a nice gift.
Yes, very useful.
So you look for scarves. You see many colors.
Red, green, white.
Christmas colors.
Exactly.
You touch the scarf. It feels soft.
That feels good.
Then you look at the price.
This part is important.
Yes, you want to know the price.
So you ask the shop assistant.
You say, "Excuse me, how much is this?"
That is perfect English.
The shop assistant answers, "It is $20.
You think about it.
You think, Is this okay for me?
Yes, you think about your budget.
Budget means how much money you want to spend.
That's a good word to remember.
Yes, budget.
So, what do you do next?
You decide to buy it.
That feels good.
You say, I will take it.
Very simple, very clear.
The shop assistant smiles and says, okay.
Then you go to the counter.
You stand in line, you wait.
Sometimes you wait a long time.
Yes, that happens.
While you wait, you look around again.
You see other people with gifts.
Some people look happy.
Some people look stressed.
Haha, yes.
Then it's your turn.
The shop assistant asks, how would you like to pay?
This is an important question.
You can say, by card.
Or by cash.
Both are good answers.
So you pay, you take your bag.
And the shop assistant says, have a nice day.
You say, thank you, you too.
Very polite.
Now you leave the shop.
You step outside.
The cold air comes back.
But you feel good.
Yes, because you bought a gift.
That feels nice.
But wait, you are not finished yet.
There are more gifts to buy.
Exactly. Christmas shopping takes time.
But don't worry.
Yes, we go step by step
Slowly.
and calmly.
Just like English learning.
That is true. Listeners, let me ask you something.
Yes.
Think about it and maybe write one sentence in the comments.
One sentence is enough.
Yes, don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
They are part of learning.
Always.
All right, let us take a small breath.
Yes.
We will continue our Christmas shopping soon.
Slowly, calmly, together.
Oh, you know what? Christmas shopping feels even better as the day goes on. The lights feel brighter and people feel a little more alive.
Yes, I agree. You can really feel the Christmas mood now.
Exactly. So let us continue our little shopping day.
Okay, I am ready.
After leaving the first shop, you walk down the street again. You hear music. Soft Christmas music.
That already feels nice.
People are carrying bags. Some bags are big, some are small.
Everyone is buying something,
Yes, everyone is busy.
but not in a bad way.
Right. It feels busy, but also happy.
So, where do we go next?
Maybe a clothing store.
Ah, that is a good idea.
You walk inside. The store is bright. There are lights everywhere.
And colors.
Yes, red sweaters, green hats.
Haha, very Christmas colors.
Exactly. You look around slowly.
You touch a sweater.
It feels warm, very soft.
Oh, that feels nice.
You think, this could be a good gift.
Yes, clothes are always useful.
But then you think again.
What is the size?
Yes, size is important.
So, you look at the label.
Small, medium, large.
Which one do you choose?
You are not sure.
Haha, this happens a lot.
So you ask for help.
Yes, you ask a shop assistant.
You say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
That is very polite.
The shop assistant says, "Of course."
That feels good.
You explain simply, "It is a gift."
Yes, you can say, this is for Christmas.
Exactly. Very simple sentence.
The shop assistant listens.
They ask, "Who is it for?"
This is another important question.
You answer, "It is for my friend."
Or, it is for my sister.
Yes, very clear.
Then the shop assistant helps you.
They show you another sweater.
This one looks better.
You smile because you like it.
That is a good feeling.
You check the price again.
Always important.
You think, okay, this works.
So you decide to buy it.
You say, I will take this one.
Perfect sentence.
Then, again, you go to the counter.
You wait in line.
This time, the line is longer.
Haha, because it is Christmas.
Yes, many people are shopping now.
While waiting, you look around.
You see decorations.
You see wrapping paper.
Red paper, green paper, gold paper.
Christmas everywhere.
Yes, it really feels like Christmas now.
Then it is your turn.
The cashier smiles and says, hello.
You say hello.
They scan the item.
Beep.
Yes, that sound.
Then they ask, would you like a bag?
You answer, yes, please.
Or, no thank you.
Both are polite.
Then they ask, is this a gift?
Oh, this is very common at Christmas.
Yes, very common.
You say, yes, it is.
Then they ask, would you like gift wrapping?
This is a great moment.
Yes, gift wrapping saves time.
You say, yes, please.
The cashier wraps the gift.
Slowly, carefully.
The paper looks beautiful.
You feel happy
You really do.
because now the gift looks special.
Very special.
You pay, you take the bag.
The cashier says, Happy Holidays.
You smile and say, thank you, happy holidays.
Very friendly.
Now you walk outside again.
The air feels cold but fresh.
You look at your bags.
You feel proud.
Yes, you are doing well.
Christmas shopping is going well.
But there is still more to do.
Haha, yes, always more.
But don't worry.
We are enjoying it.
Exactly. Slowly, one shop at a time.
Just like learning English.
That is true.
Listeners, let me ask you something.
Yes.
Do you enjoy shopping for clothes?
Think about it. Maybe say yes or maybe say no.
And write one short sentence in the comments.
One sentence is perfect.
No pressure.
All right, take a small breath with us.
In and out.
Good. We are ready to continue.
Yes, Christmas shopping continues.
Oh, now it really feels like Christmas. You have shopping bags in your hands and the street feels bright and alive.
Yes, this is my favorite part, when shopping feels almost finished.
Exactly. You walk a little slower now. You look around and enjoy the moment.
The lights look beautiful. People are smiling more.
Yes, it feels warm, even though it is cold outside.
So, what is the last stop today?
Maybe a small food shop.
Oh, that is a great idea.
Yes, because Christmas is also about food.
Very true.
You walk into a small store. It smells good inside.
Maybe chocolate.
Yes, chocolate, cookies, little Christmas treats.
That already feels exciting.
You look at the shelves. There are many small boxes.
Perfect gifts.
Yes, easy gifts. Everyone likes them.
So you pick up a box.
You read the labels slowly.
You think, this is nice.
Then you pick another one.
Maybe too much.
That happens.
So you choose just one.
Yes, one is enough.
You go to the counter.
The cashier says, hello.
You say hello.
They ask, is this for Christmas?
You smile and say, yes, it is.
That feels nice to say.
Yes, it really does.
You pay, you take the small bag.
Now you are done.
Yes, Christmas shopping is finished.
That feels very good.
You step outside again.
You look at all your bags
You feel proud.
because you did it.
Yes, you planned, you asked questions, you spoke English.
And you stayed calm.
Exactly. That is very important.
Now let us slow down for a moment.
Yes, take a small breath.
In and out.
Good. Now let us remember what we learned today.
Yes, we used many useful sentences.
First, when you enter a shop, you can say, hello.
Simple, friendly.
When someone asks, can I help you?
You can say, yes, please.
Or, I'm just looking.
Both are correct.
When you ask about price, you say, how much is this?
Very useful.
When you decide to buy something, you say, I'll take it.
Perfect sentence.
At the counter, you may hear, would you like a bag?
You can say, yes, please, or no, thank you.
At Christmas, people may ask, is this a gift?
You say, yes, it is.
Then maybe, would you like gift wrapping?
You can say, yes, please.
Very polite.
Very easy.
Now, listeners, let us do a small quiz together.
Okay, let's try.
Question 1. What do you say when you want to buy something?
Think for a moment.
Question 2. What do you say when you want to know the price?
Say it slowly in your mind.
Question 3. What do you say when someone asks, can I help you?
You know this one.
You can write your answers in the comments. One sentence is enough.
Yes, no long answers.
Now, a small question for you.
Yes,
Do you enjoy Christmas shopping?
and why?
Write one simple sentence in the comments. We would love to read it.
Yes, we really would.
Before we say goodbye, remember this.
English isn't about being perfect
It's about trying.
and using it in real life.
Like shopping, talking, asking simple questions.
Every small step matters.
And you are doing great.
Really great.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Thank you for listening.
If you enjoy calm and easy English like this, stay with us.
Listen again. Practice again.
We will meet again very soon.
With more simple English
More real life stories.
and more calm conversations.
All right. Take care, everyone.
Happy holidays.
And happy learning.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye, everyone.